Hello and welcome to another vlog. I'm a burger fan, okay? I like to eat burgers a lot. It's one of my favorite food. I think it's a competition between biryani and burger for my favorite food. And Pune में काफी अच्छे burger chains है, but I've always wondered which is the best one. And because of this vlog, I'm going to try all the burgers and tell you which ones are best for me. Next stop is McDonald's. Before that, I'm going to pick up my videographer for today. And this is my videographer for today. Hi Muskan. My favorite burger at McDonald's was chicken tikka burger, but somehow I think they've renamed it. So I've gone with a chicken grill burger along with my videographer for today. Also give a quick introduction of yourself. Who are you?
I'm Muskan and I'm visiting Pune. I live in the US, so obviously I don't eat burgers over there. I'm a vegetarian. So let's see how the vegetarian burgers are over here.
So we'll rate that on a scale of 1 to 10. And then after this, we are going to Burgercraft, which is right behind this. So yes, let's go. McDonald's burger number 1. तुम्हें McDonald's का burger पसंद हो या ना हो, the piri piri masala of McDonald's is one of my absolute favorite things. It's my comfort food.
And trust me, if you haven't had the piri piri fries from McDonald's, you're missing out majorly. And the bonus tip, have it when the fries are hot.
So Muskan, go first. How much would you rate the piri piri fries out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Is there nothing else you've eaten as good as this in the world?
Yeah, this is the best, and even the piri piri masala of McDonald's is the best.
Nice. Very good. I love it. It's gonna be a 9.4. But this vlog is not about fries, it's about burgers. So this will get a 7.5 from me. What about you?
This is an 8 on 10.
So McDonald's Chicken McGrill Burger gets a 7.5, and now let's go to the next one.
The McDonald's burger number 2 is Burgercraft and my favorite of Pune so far. So we'll also talk to them on what they think is good in their burger.
Burgercraft has 2 outlets in Pune, one in Aund and one in Vimannagar.
And we are at Burgercraft. So Burgercraft ke people are very kindly showing me around, and I'm being shown around by Arun. What's up, man? How are you?
Hello sir, I'm fine.
They claim that the burgers are not just food but a feeling, and there is a unique story behind every burger. Each burger here is crafted in-house, right from the sauces to the buns. Even the patties here are made from scratch.
Burgercraft, room burger. Let's go. Not bad. All the veg burgers that I've had, usually have a patty. This doesn't. It just has pieces of mushroom. So I think this will get a 8, I guess. The chicken from here definitely gets a 9. But Shroom Burger, Burgercraft, 8 on 10.
One thing they can do better is that they can have a better seating.
Damn, and after 1.5 burger, I'm completely full. McDonald's is done, Burgercraft is done. After this, we'll go to Asing's. So another day, another burger. This time we are reviewing Asing's Burger. Asing's is one of my favorite burgers. It's very, very simple. It's got a bun, it's got venki patties, and it's got cheese ka slice.
Cheers for that.
Let's go!
Yes.
So next burger is Asing's Burger. Asing's needs no introduction for any person living in Pune. I also met the owner of Asing's on this day, and I also had to ask him why it is called Asing's.
आसिंग म्हणजे नेपाळी भाषेमध्ये त्याचा अर्थ होतो मामा.
What makes Asing's Burger great is its simplicity. It just has a bun, a Wenky's patty, cheese, mayonnaise and Szechuan sauce. But I think the formula is in frying the burger patty just the right amount at the right temperature.
सही है कि नहीं बात?
बहुत सही है. They say that it is a hidden gem, so let's explore.
Hidden gem में जास्त झालं. So here it is, chicken cheese sliced. We're gonna have a bite and rate on a scale of 1 to 10, okay Harsh?
Yes.
So here it goes, 1, 2, 3. I love it, dude. I love how simple it is, not heavy at all, and no very strong flavors. I'd give this an 8.8 on 10. I love how roasted the buns are and very simple. So 8.8 from me. Harsh.
I think it is 8.5. Patty is really good. I think McDonald's में भी ऐसी पैटी नहीं मिलती. बहुत सिंपल है, लेकिन जो सिंपलिसिटी है उनकी, इसीलिए उनको इतने ज़्यादा ऑर्डर्स मिलते हैं. This is the way they are standing out from other burgers.
सही है कि नहीं बात?
सही है.
After Asing's, the next burger we go to is the Camp Burger.
We've tried McDonald's, Burgercraft and Asing so far. Next one is going to be Pune ka Camp Burger. It's very popular.
The Camp Burger is one of the city's oldest and most popular burger joint.
You know, people always ask me, vlog kare ho kya, because people are very fascinated by the camera. Hello bro, what's your name? Yes, you want to be there in the vlog?
Yes.
तुला पण करायचं ना vlog चालू?
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
The place gets very crowded, especially after 1 p.m. It is known among students for its quantity, its cheap price and good taste.
Now it's called Camp Burger. The original branch is in Camp, but this is the second branch that's in Koregaon Park. 80 rupees per burger is what the price is. So let's see, I've heard a lot. First time trying Camp Burger here in Pune after living here for 20 years. So it's something, let's see how it is.
So like I said earlier, you have to wait for a very long time for your order to come. I had to wait about 25 minutes for my burger.
So the burger is finally here. This is a mini burger apparently, which is larger than the regular burger at most places. 1, 2, 3. Not bad. So bun, I think it's sweet mayo, honey mayo, something like that. Ketchup and onion. Pretty simple. I'll take one more bite before I eat it.
The size of the burger is definitely worth talking about. This was a mini burger that I ordered and its size was larger than most regular burgers out there.
But overall, I think it's an 8.5.
We need to wait for 20 minutes.
Yeah, dude. And hungry people waiting for 20 minutes. Actually, -2 होना चाहिए. -1 because you're generous.
So 8.5 and 8.
8. Yes.
So burger reviews are happening and I'd gone to McDonald's, but the burger I tried there wasn't my favorite burger, so I don't think it's a fair way to rate McDonald's. And this is my favorite McDonald's burger. It's called Chicken Kebab Burger. My favorite burger from McDonald's is the Chicken Kebab Burger, but I didn't have it when I tested McDonald's first. So here it is. The Chicken Kebab Burger slaps and is the best burger from McDonald's according to me. It has a bun, it has a kebab patty, it has onions, and it has this lovely sauce which I really like. Chicken Kebab Burger, my favorite burger from McDonald's. Let's go. Damn, it's the best of all the burgers from McDonald's at least. So what I think can be better in this burger is the patty. It's kind of dry, but what I really like is the sauce that's on top of the patty. I'll take one more bite and then I'll rate it again. It's really tasty. It has this Indianish taste to it. थोड़ा अचार, थोड़ा mayo, थोड़ा ketchup का सब taste mix करके आता है. So Chicken Kebab Burger gets a 7.5 out of 10, but still I think by far the best burger at McDonald's I've had. Also, an honorable mention is the Biggie's Burger.
OG smashed buff burger. I'm also very hungry.
I tried the buff burger and it gets a 7 out of 10 because I'm not a huge fan of buff meat.
I love how soft the bun is. But I'm here for the last burger review. The last burger that we are reviewing today is Roco Mama's. Here we are in Kalyani Nagar. This is Roco Mama's. So when I was gonna start shooting this vlog, right, I'd asked people on my story, on my Instagram story, ki which burger should I review. And Roco Mama's के लिए काफी request आए थे. So we are here at Roco Mama's. Let's see how the burger is. Hi guys, how are you? Good. Sushant, कौन सा है सबसे अच्छा burger?
If you are looking for spicy, so this is the forward.
Okay.
This one, medium, so go for this.
Cool.
Cheese bomb.
Cool. So as suggested by him, I'm gonna go with chili cheese bomb. But I think so far, best service and hospitality at Roco Mama so far. So the people here are very friendly. They've also given me permission to show how they cook over here. So I'll show you that. What's your name and where are you from?
मेरा नाम विवेक है, मैं नेपाल से हूँ और इधर शेफ हूँ.
Perfect. Let's go.
This was the first time I had a smashed chicken burger and it was also fun to watch the chef make it. Oh dude, look at that smash.
इसका बर्गर टेस्टिंग है. बेकन.
Bring the bread. Let's go.
Roco Mama's is a burger chain from South Africa and has 2 outlets in Pune. The staff was also very kind enough to show me around, and also by the end they said that this burger was a gift from them to me. So I even got this burger for free.
Nice. Dude, look at this. Crazy. So this is cheese chili bomb burger at Roco Mama's. A smashed chicken burger patty. We got amazing fresh bun, grilled onions and bacon. It is spicy, but before I eat it, I'll have one more bite. I love the sauces. Bread can be a bit softer, but bacon is amazing. Chicken also amazing. I think I'll give this a 8 on 10 Roco Mama's, but plus 0.5 for the amazing service and the lovely guys over here. Cheers.
So that was all from the burger review, and here are the ratings. McDonald's at 7.5, Biggie's at 7, Roco Mama's at 8.5, Burgercraft at 8, Camp at 8, and the winner is Aasing's at the 8.8 on 10. So do visit these places and do let me know what your favorite burger in Pune is, and I'll see you in the next one.